Hey everyone, welcome back to InfoTuber. Today we're tackling a topic that's confusing, expensive, and honestly, kinda boring, but it's something you can't afford to ignore. Insurance. You have to know four things about insurance. Whether you're buying your first car, renting an apartment, or just trying to adult properly, insurance is everywhere. But here's the problem. Most people either overpay, underprotect themselves, or get straight up scammed. Before we rev into the countdown, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our high-octane content. Let's go. So in this video, I'll break down 1. What insurance actually is. Hint, it's not a scam. 2. The 7 types and everyone needs to know about. 3. And the biggest mistakes people make. Let's get into it. Part 1. What is insurance? Let's start simple. Insurance is like a safety net for your money. You pay a little bit regularly, that's your premium, so that if something terrible happens, like a car accident, a hospital stay, or even a tornado, you don't have to pay for all the damage yourself. But here's the catch. Insurance companies pool risk. Think of it like a group project where everyone chips in $10, and if one person's laptop gets stolen, the group helps replace it. Now, insurance isn't charity. Companies use fancy math called actuarial science to predict risks and set prices. But if you understand the basics, you'll never overpay again. Part 2. 7 types you need to know. Not all insurance is created equal. Here's the breakdown of the 7 most common types. Number 1. Auto insurance. Legally required, covers crashes, theft. Number 2. Health insurance. Doctor visits, emergencies, don't skip this. Number 3. Homeowners, renters. Protects your stuff and lawsuits if someone slips in your house. Number 4. Life insurance. Pays your family if you pass away, critical if others depend on your income. Number 5. Disability insurance. Your paycheck stops if you're injured. This replaces it. Number 6. Liability insurance. For lawsuits, everyone should consider this. Number 7. Wild cards. Pet insurance, travel insurance, even phone insurance. Pro tip. Always check the exclusions. For example, most homeowners' policies don't cover floods. You'll need a separate policy for that. Part 3. 3 mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1. Only buying the cheapest plan. Low premiums often mean high deductibles or terrible coverage. Mistake number 2. Not updating your policy. Got a new dog? Renovated your house? Tell your insurer. Mistake number 3. Ignoring the fine print. That free health plan might not cover your diabetes meds. Always ask, what's the deductible? What's excluded? And if you're confused, talk to a mall broker. They work for you, not the insurance company. Part 4. How to save money. Insurance is expensive, but here's how to save. Bundle policies, e.g. Home Plus Auto, Shark Discount. Raise your deductible if you have emergency savings. Ask about discounts. Good driver security systems paying annually. And never just auto-renew. Compare prices every 2 years. Use sites like Policy Genius or Lemonade. They're game changers. If you learned something, smash that like button. It helps others find this video. Let me know in the comments. What insurance confuses you the most? And if you're new here, subscribe for more tips to upgrade your adulting game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.